The next 24 hours are going to be very exciting. I'm proposing a trade strategy, a short-term trade with a really nice win-to-loss ratio. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jay here from StakeMentor, bringing you today's Bitcoin technical analysis. So, yesterday we pinpointed this red line and we said, okay, let's all pay some very close attention to what's been happening over here. So just to recap, we've got this huge wedge. So the wedge, the red line, so you've got a point here, 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 came down, bounced back into the wedge, respected the wedge, came down and got back here. And as you can see, it slightly broke through and pushed back straight away. And right now, if you look at the price, it's struggling to go above the 10,800 level. And if you guys been following the market very closely, the 10,800 level here has previously always also acted as a point of resistance in the past few days. So if you look here, price didn't break through, broke through, came back, broke through, went all the way up to 11,700 and came back down, respected the 10,800 level literally perfectly. Yeah. And now it's back up, went through, came down, broke through. So if you are excited about this or not excited about this, then now is the time to get excited, because again we will see some resistance, and I wouldn't hold off of that. Let's have a look what the fib is doing. Alright, here we go. So we will see some resistance around this area, but if we can close, when I say close, if the bar at the end of the day finishes or closes above the 10,800 level and above the red line, obviously, ideally what we want to see is a bar like this. So we want to see a bar which goes up and then somehow closes here. Yeah, then I think what we'll see, a possible trade, but again, do your own research before you put it on, because I'm not a financial advisor. On a retracement, like a buy limit or a retracement to the 10,800 level, targeting the 11,737 area, and then you may want to take off some profit off the table. But I would hopefully hope for a runner to the higher highs. Yeah, so these areas over here. But as I said, just be very careful. I want price to close above the 10,800, this this yellow line, and above the red wedge, and then we can possibly look for a nice, interesting buy limit trade with a very nice tight stop loss and a profit ratio of sort of 3 to 1. What I mean by that, or 4 to 1, you just put a stop loss here. Let's have a look. Show where the colors. So what you do is you put a stop loss down here, and then you buy limit at 10,899, and you hope to run it right to the 11,732 area. Frankly, because it acted as a resistance before, and the reason why I like this is because you have a really nice win to loss ratio, 3 to 1. It's a relatively, you've got a confluence because you've got a strong area breaking through, so it could be a relatively low risk trade and to have a nice little earner. But again, do your own research before you make any decisions. As I said, it's all based on my own opinion. But if you do like my own opinion, and if you think this is adding great value to your day-to-day and short-term analysis, then I would suggest, or I would love if you could subscribe or leave any comments below. In that sense, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good luck.